Hey guys, Rich Bassini here, your YouTube vlogger and creator. If you download the newest version of Cyberlink PowerDirector 2024, there is a program in there that I use and I love it. And I just tried it out a while back and I fell in love with it. And what it is the AI sky replacement. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how really cut and dry it is and easy. Stick around. I'm going to minimize my screen right now. And there I am. Here I have a video clip. I'm going to put it over here, show you what it looks like when you play it. No sound, of course, but this is how it looks. Now, if you want to change that background with the sky replacement here from PowerDirector, it's cut and dry and really easy. Let's get to it. I'm going to pause this here. Actually, let's go right to it here. Let me just start all over with this here. I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to drop it over here again one more time. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to edit. Okay, we're going to go to edit, and you're going to see over here it's got tools and color. Okay, when you go down here, use this taskbar to slide down and go right here where it says AI sky replacement. When you click it on, you're going to get another window. It's going to pop up, and it's going to have all different sky formats: cloudy skies, intermittent cloud, whatever, rainbows, and you got this type of sky here. This is really nice too. But look at the different types of skies you could put in that background. It's really easy, guys. And what's really nice about it, you get to try it before you actually transform the video. So let's say, well, it's a day scene, so let's get something like a day cloud type of thing. I was thinking about this one right here. So you click that on, you're going to see the little thing spin around. That's what it's going to look like, okay? So what you want to do, and I'm going to have to pause my video because it's going to take a little time, you're going to hit this button here to transform. It's going to do its thing, and it's going to render, and it's going to tell you the time here. As you can see, the time counts down somewhat fast, but I'm going to pause the video, speed it up a little, and then we'll pick up where it leaves off. Okay, so hang in there, guys. Okay, so after it's all done rendering, here's what it looks like. Let's play it. Look at that. I love the AI technology, guys, and let me tell you something. Even though you change the sky, you could still modify that picture and make good clarity, and you could add different things to it. Check this out. I'm going to pause the video over here. I'm going to leave it like that for now. What you're going to do is you're going to go over here, click on the video clip, and you're going to go to edit. You're going to go over here where it says color. And here they have color adjustment, lighting adjustment, color enhancement, white balance, and so on and so forth. Let's do the color adjustment. When you click that on, you're going to have all these different features you could do here. You got exposure, brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, and so on. Just look at how it looks when you start changing things around. Okay, you could brighten it up here. You could do the exposure, make it like that. Or you could do the brightness on here. You could make it brighter. Or you could even darken it up a little like that. And then you got the contrast. You can make it darker. Look at that. That looks pretty cool too, right? Looks good like that. And if you go back the other way, then it lightens it up. We'll leave it like this for now. Then you got the hue. Okay, you could have a little fun with that, playing around with it. I don't usually mess around with the hue. I usually leave it alone. Then you got the saturation here. You could use the saturation feature. You can see the colors like in the grass, whatever, looks a little greener, right? And if you never want to use that stuff there, you don't have to worry about it. Also, you want to make that picture look nice, they got sharpen here. You can really sharpen that picture up really nice. But I kind of like it. I like the contrast where it's dark like that. I think I like that a little. I got that look. And then once it's all finished, just close it out, and that's it. You're done. That's it. So I'm going to be sharing little tips and tricks as I go along. I got some other things I want to share with this PowerDirector 2024. So if you like any of the videos I have, please hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated when we post that new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Bassini signing off. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care, and bye-bye for now.